Hello everyone. So if you are searching for Savana coupon code for this month, let me show you how to do that quickly. So first go to Google and type Savana coupon code and just hit enter and you'll see a bunch of sites come up. Now I've opened those sites for you. So let's go through the best ones. So first is WeThrift. They have up-to-date coupon codes like 90% off, or flash sales, and even more. Just go through the links, or you can just click copy code, and this should copy your coupon code. Now, when you make a purchase through Savana, just paste that code at the checkout option. Now, next up is Grab On, a popular one for Indian shoppers. You'll find BOGO offers, which means buy one get one, seasonal sales, and even verified coupons. Just tap get deal and you'll see the coupon activated. No need to copy anything. Now, let me show you some other options. Next up is Coupons Guru. As you can see, they also have some more deals. This is another great site, especially if you are looking for codes by the category and like dresses or tops. Scroll to find the best one that fits and just grab it. Click on it and it will take you straight to the Savannah website. Now, let me show you this website here called Daisy Dime. And this is a community driven website. That means users share codes, so you might find limited time deals or insider discounts not listed anywhere else. This is a very good site to get up to date coupons. For example, this is a new coupon that just came 5 minutes ago and it's a verified one. So make sure to get this coupon. Just click on it and it will take you to the 7 option or just copy the code here. Anyway, lastly, let me show you coupon chef. This is worth checking out too, especially if you're shopping from outside India or comparing global codes. Now, I have saved the best tip for the last, which is Reddit. Now, this thread, which is our Indian beauty deals, this thread is a gold mine. Now, and is frequently updated by users who test and confirm what is working. So, if you want to save time and to like don't want to check each coupon one by one and to like know which coupon is actually working, go to Reddit, click on our Indian beauties and search for Savannah here and you'll see some coupon codes here like 2 months ago, 1 month ago. So let me click this one. As you can see, the flash sales here. Anyway, this is just the best way to like get coupon codes for Savannah. Anyway, that's all for this video. Make sure to try a few codes before you check out. You'll usually save something.